welcome to Sherry's Fairies. I'd like to welcome any new subscribers, and if you're new here, I'm Sherry, and I do fairy gardens and home decor, and I work a little bit in clay, and I love to decorate my house, and of course I do cleaning videos. It's really great incentive. So anyhow, that's me. This Thursday Fairy Garden Thursday. These two little plants. There was a third one in here, but it died before I'm getting around to this. And this was like a Mother's Day. And this was $12 or $9 or something. It was very inexpensive. And I got a nice little heart pot I'll probably put out in my fairy garden. Anyhow, I'm going to do a fairy garden in a fishbowl. And as you can see, I've already put some just stones in it from outside. So I'll tip you down, get you set up so you can see what I'm doing. It always takes a minute, so I'm going to take these bigger stones out. I don't want them in there. I just wanted the little stones. Little fairy. It's one from Michael's. It's on the smaller side, but I think it kind of fits in there much better than the bigger ones. Well, I lived with the fishbowl for a while and I really didn't like it. So all that work, oh well. So now I'm going to do it different and see if I'll like it this time. Clean the fishbowl all out again. Clean the rocks. And I'm only going to put a little handful of rocks in there. I have different flowers here that I'm going to take apart and see if they'll work. My other flowers just didn't work good. And I still have my soil here, so I'll put the soil in. Oops. I was making a mess. Need more room. And I'm not putting it up near as high as I did before. Okay. Now, just drying some of the drops out of the fish bowl. Now I'm going to look at these plants. I'm not sure what I can do or if I can do anything. Take it out of the pot. This one came out nice. I can just take a little bit. A little bit. I just want short ones. Let's see. Can you see what I'm doing? I'm just ripping. You can't really. Ripping this plant apart. See if I can get little. These are all quite tall. I just want some short ones. So I'm going to see if I can get some short ones out of here. I don't think it's going to hurt the plant too much. These are pretty hardy plants, I think. I think this type of plant will work better. Okay, there's a nice little bunch. So, now add some water to this. I want it nice and wet. When the plants go in, yeah, I'll make sure you guys can see. Okay, I'm going to place these in here. I'm actually going to place them right at the bottom and then put dirt around them. And this is tricky because they're a little tall too, aren't they? They look kind of cute coming out the top. So let's get some dirt in here around the plant. We know it's in there good. Okay, well that's covered up pretty good. A little bit more back here. Press it in. And it is a messy process. Yeah, we got the two plants in. I think it's looking nice. I'm going to put a little bit of moss in there. It'll just help keep the soil a little moister. And I just like the look of it. Just along the front here. You get up there. There we go. Okay. So I have a couple little mushrooms. And they're going to go right up front where you can see them. Oops, in here, baby. Oop, there we go. I'll just pretend they're growing right out of there. And I have a little piece of fence. And I'm going to put it right behind the mushrooms. And I think that's cute. And we have our little fairy girl. And we're going to stand her in here. Now, I got to get her in the dirt so she doesn't fall over. There. Okay, we got our little fairy garden in a fishbowl. And I think it turned out much better this time. think I'll quite enjoy this. We'll see how those plants grow. Who knows? But I think it looks cute with the plant coming out the top. And the little fairy and the fence and the mushrooms. And just kind of show you all around how it looks. Well, I'm pleased with that one. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you come back again and watch some more. And I'd like to thank everybody for watching, and thank all my new subscribers, and everybody that watches Grandma Sandy's channel. She has great fairy displays in her gardens. So thanks again, Granny, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.